What's the difference between a Western, Japanese, or Chinese chef knife? Well, they're all designed for a wide range of tasks, but there are some differences that make them better for certain foods or certain chefs. Let's start with a Western or German style knife. These willing knives have a curved edge, which makes them better for cooks that like cutting with a rocking motion. The softer stainless steel and thick blade make this extra durable, but the softer edge will need sharpening more often than these Miyabi Japanese knives. They're not only harder than your typical Western knife, but they're also much thinner. This makes them better at slicing smoothly and finely. If you like this style but prefer a rocking motion, try a rounded Gyuto shape. But if you like cutting vertically or diagonally, try the shorter and flatter Santoku. And lastly, this Chinese cleaver is not just a cleaver, it's actually a chef's knife. This knife has a thick spine, but it gradually tapers to a thin edge, which makes it capable of precision cuts. It's optimized for making lots and lots of thin slices, but it's also great for crushing and scooping.